Well, this morning we want to let you know about a recall alert for Honda vehicles.
First, Honda recalling more than 1.5 million vehicles in the United States.
You want to listen to these recall alerts we tell you about.
If you or anyone you know drives a Honda or an Acura, you will want to drop what you are doing right now. Federal safety regulators just confirmed a brand new massive safety recall targeting exactly 98,892 vehicles in the United States. We are not just talking about cars rolling off the assembly line yesterday. This defect spreads across a staggering 10-year manufacturing window, threatening vehicles from model years 2016 all the way to 2026. Want to know the brand? It's Honda. Honda issued a recall that affects nearly 100,000 vehicles across more than a dozen model lines. The recall, which stems from front passenger airbags that could deploy unintentionally, covers 98,892 vehicles between the Honda and Acura lineup. Let's break down exactly what's going on, how a natural disaster caused this, which models are included in this recall, and how to check if your car is sitting on a hidden safety hazard. The core problem: why it's dangerous. As you can see in this layout, your car relies on weight sensors embedded directly into the lower seat cushion. This data determines whether an adult, a child, or a heavy backpack is in the front seat. If it's a child, the computer suppresses the airbag force because a full blast deployment can be fatal to smaller bodies. According to documents filed directly with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, a tiny capacitor inside this system's printed circuit board can crack over time simply from exposure to everyday environmental humidity. When it gets humid, that crack creates a short circuit. Due to that, the calibration drifts, which may blind the vehicle's computer. In a crash, it fails to suppress the airbag, deploying it with maximum explosive force. Between early 2021 and late 2025, Honda logged a total of 228 warranty claims regarding this exact sensor malfunction. Fortunately, the official current injury toll stands at 0 injuries and 0 fatalities, which is why Honda is moving so aggressively to fix it before that number changes. Now let's traced to a natural disaster. If this feels like déjà vu, that's because Honda has been battling this exact sensor supplier for a while. Back in February 2024, Honda issued a massive recall for a whopping 750,000 vehicles for the exact same issue. So why are an additional 99,000 cars being dragged into this now? It comes down to a supplier math error following a natural disaster. Years ago, a major natural disaster struck a Tier 2 manufacturing plant that supplied Honda's primary parts vendor. To keep production moving, the vendor temporarily switched up the base chemical material used to construct the printed circuit boards. They assured Honda the new material was fully verified, but it wasn't. The alternative base material may allow additional strain to the circuit board, which can lead to the capacitor cracking. Now, Honda admits the supplier made massive tracking errors, including inaccurate data correlation and an incomplete calculation of the production timeline. Simply put, the supplier lost track of how many defective parts they shipped, leaving nearly 100,000 drivers unprotected until today. And this is not Honda's only major headache lately. Just weeks ago, they had to recall 440,000 Odyssey minivans because a software glitch was causing side curtain airbags to blow up randomly when hitting everyday potholes or speed bumps. Is your car affected? Because this impacts over a dozen popular models across a huge 10-year manufacturing window, there is a good chance a model you or a family member owns is on this list. The list includes the Acura TLX, RDX, and MDX, as well as the Honda Ridgeline, Pilot, Passport, Odyssey, Insight, HR-V, CR-V, Fit, Civic, and Accord. What you need to do next. Honda will officially begin mailing out owner notification letters starting on July 6, 2026. But you do not want to wait for a piece of snail mail to find out if your car is dangerous. Here is your immediate, free action plan. Step 1. Locate your 17-digit VIN. You can find your Vehicle Identification Number, VIN, printed on a small metal plate on the driver's side dashboard that is visible through the windshield or listed on your car insurance card. Step 2. Check the official recall databases. Head over to NHTSA.gov/recalls or Honda's official recall lookup website and type in your VIN. This will instantly tell you if your exact car has an open recall notice. Step 3. Schedule a free repair. If your VIN matches, contact an authorized Honda or Acura dealership. Honda dealers are mandated by law to completely replace the front passenger seat weight sensors for free. The automaker will notify affected owners by mail starting on July 6th. The bottom line of this video is, recalls happen, but when it involves an explosive airbag safety net failing, it's not something you want to put off. And let us know in the comment. And also, send this video to the Honda and Acura owners in your life. Drop a like if these stats helped you out. Subscribe for more automotive safety updates, and I will see you in the next one.